Are you ready to ace your Cognizant interview virtually? First, let's begin with accessing the Superset portal. Use a secure web browser to go to the Cognizant Superset website. Locate the login area here. You'll input your registered credentials, your employee ID, and the password you've set up. Once you've entered the details correctly, click the login button. Now that you are logged into the Superset portal, your dashboard should be visible. Keep an eye out for the My Interviews or similar sounding section. Click on this section to view any upcoming virtual drive interviews you might have. Within your scheduled interview details, you should find a Join Interview button or a link to the virtual meeting. Usually, the system provides you information about the interview time, date, and the panel information. Click this button. It will redirect you to the meeting platform. You will be taken to a virtual meeting space. This could be on Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or another platform. Depending on the interview setup, make sure your camera and microphone are working correctly. You might see a waiting screen until the interviewer admits you to the meeting. Take this time to relax and prepare. Let's talk about presentation. Dress professionally, as you would for an in-person interview. Find a well-lit spot for this purpose. Preferably in a quiet environment. A plain or neutral background is best to avoid distractions. Ensure clear audio. Use a headset or ensure your microphone is working properly. Finally, remember to stay calm and focused. Make direct eye contact with the camera, smile, and listen attentively to the questions being prepared. Professional and confident will go a long way towards successfully navigating your virtual interview. Good luck.